Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Bonnie Faye is, well, she was right here sitting beside me. She's probably underneath me at the moment. Y'all, I have another piece of my Macy's haul. This one is the search for the white tops. Y'all know I mentioned I wanted some more whites. Oh, there you are, baby girl. What you doing? You know, I've been searching for some different white tops. Just found out that I don't have many long sleeve white tops. So I thought, well, Macy's would be the perfect place to go and look for some. Well, not go. You know me. I go online. That's where I go. So I bought a few different Macy's tops for us to try on today. White tops. If you don't like the white tops, you might not like this one. But you know, Macy's, there's probably more color options. And I'll tell you if I find those. Let me unwrap them. I'll be right back. All right. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Gina. I like to try on clothing. I like to get makeup, subscription boxes, clothing boxes, hauls from different stores. I like home decor. I like a little bit of everything, and you're more than likely going to see a little bit of everything on here. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. So first we have Charter Club. So this is the women's cotton Johnny collar t-shirt. They are, you know, everything's created for Macy's if it's from Macy's. It's in bright white, large. It is $19. Well, I paid $19.99 for it. Let's see how much it actually costs. $24.99 is the full price. Right now, it is on limited time special right now, being the 27th of December for $19.99. There are 8 different colors of this, and sizes go from extra small to 2 extra large. Not just XX large, 2XL. So here's the top. I love the V-neck. I love the collar. It's long sleeve. It's a cotton t-shirt. Just a nice little t-shirt. And these are great to stick out of jackets, out of, you know, if you had a V-neck sweater that would line it, that would be really cute. Or just to wear a white t-shirt. So, 100% Sapima cotton, some kind of special cotton, made in Vietnam. Wash, cold, gentle cycle with light colors, tumble dry, low cool iron if needed. So, easy care. Like it a lot. So, what do we think? I think it's cute. Interested to try it on. It's cute in the other colors too. Our next one is this Tommy Hilfiger women's solid scoop neck long sleeve top, bright white, large. I paid $23.70. So this is more of a scoop neck. It's more up my alley because crew necks, you know, can sometimes feel a little too tight on me. I just needed some white t-shirts to wear under things. Long sleeved. Is that a cat or a kid? No telling. It is originally $39.50. It is on limited time special for $19.75. It comes in 3 different colors. Extra small to 2XL. Or extra, extra large. So that's the next one. And the third and last white shirt for today is another Charter Club. This is more of a dress top. It's a classic button-down front shirt. Bright white is a size 12. I paid $23.80 for it. It comes in this white and it comes in a pink. It's normally $59.50 on sale right now for $29.75. It goes from size 4 all the way up to size 18. So I like it. I think it's going to look nice and fitted because it has these seams right here. And those are the ones I tend to go for because it makes it feel more fitted to me. Granted, I do like wearing these under sweaters and things like that, like I mentioned. But I do wear them, you know, under blazers and things sometimes as well. I feel like you might need to iron this, though, which is not uncommon for a white shirt. It is 79 cotton, 18 nylon, and 3 spandex. Machine wash cold with light colors. Tumble dry low. Warm iron when needed. See, if you can tumble dry it low, throw a wet wash rag in there with it. You'll take the wrinkles out. You get it out immediately. You don't have to iron. That's what I like to do. But I do like it. I'm excited to try it on. It does have those seams in the back as well that I think will help it look more fitted. All right. So we're going to try this stuff on. We'll see what fits and what doesn't. If I need different sizes, all that good stuff. I want to hear y'all's opinion down below. Also, while you're down there, please press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribing to my channel is free, so I really would appreciate it if you press that subscribe button, and also share with your friends. Encourage them to subscribe to the channel. We are growing a little more slowly now that I have cut down on how many videos I'm doing in a week, because I cut it in half, but we still are growing, and I'm really excited and really appreciative for everything y'all do for me. You have no idea. Press that notification bell so you don't miss any videos, don't miss the shorts or the announcement of winners, all that good stuff. If you would like to donate to the cause, which is revamping the studio, buying new equipment, things like that, there are 2 different ways to do that. You can press the super thanks, which is like tipping through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. Go to buymeacoffee.com, go to Unbox by G, and you can leave me a tip there. 1 coffee is $1. I really appreciate it if you do any of those. So let me show you what I'm wearing today, and we'll try this stuff on. See you in a second. So here is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing these cute little boots. Oh my goodness. I think I got these from Amazon. I am wearing these pants I got from, I'm thinking, Wannable. They're 151. Very nice pants. My top that is too big for me now, I think I'm going to have to get rid of it. It's just too big. Is from Express. And my jacket, I'm kind of thinking I got this off of Amazon. Necklace. This one I think is from mintMONGOOSE. Oh, gracious. This one is Box. These were, where were they from? I got them in a subscription box. I'll have to put that down below. Let me change now. So today I'm only going to do a part day of filming. So I opted for cozy and comfy because after this I'm going to be packing and getting ready to go out of town. So I just put on this tunic shirt that I got from Kohl's a while back. Some leggings that I got, I think they're called Crazy Yoga, from Amazon. And some Juicy Couture some Juicy Couture tennies that I got from Marshalls. My jewelry, this one is Box, and these I think I got from mintMONGOOSE. Alright, let's try these clothes on. Alright, y'all, maybe I should have got a few extra larges in this. This one, it's a little restricting. Of course, it's got the giganimous gap right here. It is a little snug through here. I think I just needed a size up. Oh dear, hang on. Yeah, I just needed a size up. I'm afraid a size up will be a little wide in the shoulders for me though, which is weird. But it just seemed like this is the right length for the shoulders. It just needs to be wider here and here. I don't know that I'm in love with this one anyway. It's a little on the stiff side. I like a shirt to flow a little more. And it definitely, you know, got stuck up. Pulled up. Alright, yeah. This one is not going to work for me. Let's move on. This one is a little snug too, but I actually don't mind it being a little snug. Because I actually was getting this one as an undershirt. To wear under sweaters. To wear under, like, you know, to wear under my vest. Things like that. So the snugness of this one doesn't really bother me. And I feel like this one will get softer as it's washed, so I'm not really worried about the stiffness of this one too very much. Doesn't it look cute underneath my vest? Oh my goodness. I love a good vest. And this one's fuzzy on the inside. From the Snobbish collection. That's what it says. Oh my good gracious. I don't remember where I got it, but that's hilarious. The Snobbish collection. Alright, one more white shirt. Y'all, I got makeup on this one, so it's mine whether I wanted it or not. I do like it though. And it is a little on the, I mean, it's not too snug, but it's a little snug, but that's okay. On this, same thing. I could wear it under that vest and it'd be great. Or I could wear it with a low cut sweater or one of those that zips, something like that. I think it'd be cute. I actually like this one. And it was the softest of all three. So I'm good with that. All right, let's do a recap. We're back, y'all. And me and my clicker are fighting. My little button that turns the camera on. Woo, we're having a day today. All right, let's go back through these white tops. This one I like. I like this one. This one is more than likely the one I will keep for sure. I love the neckline of it with a little bit of a collar. I think it'll look great under things. Or I could wear it on its own. As long as I was wearing a pair of pants that didn't, you know, show the fupa. You know. But I do like that one a lot. What was that one? Character Club. Charter Club. Charter Club. So $20. Not too bad. This one is okay too. I haven't decided. I'm probably going to keep this one for an undershirt. I think it would be a little too tight for me to wear without putting something over the top of it. Vest or something. So I'm kind of on the fence about this one. More than likely I will keep it just because you always need a white t-shirt. $23, almost $24. I don't think that's too bad. But it is not the softest one I've ever felt either. This Charter Club shirt, on the other hand, is going to go back because it was just too small. It's a little noisy, but those details of the hems that I was showing you, they do make it cinch in and look really cute. I think I could make it work if I sized up. This was a size 12. So, you know, maybe if I went to a 14, I could make this work. But I don't know. I may just send it back and not worry with it. What did y'all think of my white t-shirt haul from Macy's? Did you like any of them? Or I guess I should say white shirt, not white t-shirt. Did you like any of them? Do y'all just go to Walmart for your white shirts? Things like that? I don't know. I like Macy's. I think you can get some pretty good deals there. But I do need to do some Walmart hauls as well. I just haven't got there yet. I'm waiting for the holidays to get over. I keep thinking if I just wait, everything will slow down. I'm not sure it will. Just not sure that's how it works for me. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'd love it if you give this video a thumbs up. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and I really appreciate it. Share with your friends. Press that notification bell. And if you want to donate to the cause, you know how to do it. Super thanks or the link below to buy me a coffee. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.